Welcome guys to my new video. My dear technician, check this out. One of my technicians brought this phone to me. According to him, he told me that the phone is not touching. Check this out. This is the problem of the phone. He tested different screen but still the same, not working. My dear technician, he tried, not working. So he brought the phone here for me to fix it. My dear technician, the first thing is for me to check for physical damage. I told you guys, it's very important. I check for physical damage. Check the screen very well. The screen is a new screen, but it's not working. He tried different ways to fix it, but not working. So the next thing is for me to check the FPC. Check this out. The screen connector. Nothing is wrong. The next thing is for me to go deeply and check. Check this out. I'm with a multimeter and I set my multimeter to continuity mode. Right now, I want to check the continuity. First thing, I check the lines. First of all, confirm all the touchpad lines is very important, my dear technician. The next thing is for you to check voltage. Check the 1.8 volt that is going straight to the touchpad. If there's no voltage, if there's no 1.8 volt, the touchpad will not function. My dear technician, the touchpad will not work, so you need to check the voltage. So I check everything. Like I said before, not everything I post online, so there are things I keep it secret for my students, so not everything I will show here, right? So the next thing now is for me to go straight to where the problem is. From the reading, I know very well where the problem is coming from. The problem is actually coming from a component called resistor. So we have to check the lines, okay? So have to cut this part out so that I'll be able to see the component right there, whether there's any error there, so that I will correct it. So I will be using my small cutting machine. As you can see right now, I want to cut. My dear technician, take note, before you start cutting, make sure you use something like a ruler to draw the line so that you will not make mistake and cut another point. And not just that, I want your work to look neat. Guys, this thing that I'm doing right now, you have to practice it time with that number with a scrap panel before you try it on a working phone. If not, you spoil your customer phone. So you have to be very careful, okay? You have to try it on a scrap panel so that once you try it with a working board, it will work perfectly without any issue. So if you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Right now, as you can see, I'm working tirelessly because I want to fix this phone. The owner is waiting for me, the technician. So right now, as you can see, I just increased the speed of the cutting machine. I just increased the speed because I want it to cut fast. So you have to be very careful. Check this out. I'm cutting. You have to be very careful. Please, my dear technician, please take your time. Be very careful so that you will not cut the component inside the shell. If you cut it, you will spoil the phone. So you have to be very careful. I was supposed to remove the shell, but there's no need since I just want to work on this particular point. So there's no need for me to remove the shell. By the technician, I'm done with the cutting. So the next thing is for me to heat up and remove the small part, the shell right there, and then we'll start working on it. So the next thing is for me to place the PCB right here on the PCB stand and then work on it. By the technician, after that, the next thing is for me to remove the small point, the small shell that I cut off. You can see I have to detach the small side, have to detach it. You have to be very careful when working on this, my dear technician. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Check this out, I'm working on this. Check this out, I will be done. My dear technician, I will be done. So you have to be very careful. As you can see, my dear technician, I will be done. Check this out, I'm done. 1 2 ready and go. Check this out. You have to be very, very careful. Check this out. I'm done. Check this out. My dear technician. Clean. I love this. My dear technician. I love my work. I love this work. My dear technician. Check this out. The next thing is for me to go straight to the resistor. Check this out. So the resistor is the clock line for the touchpad. Take note. Right here is the resistor. So the resistor is the clock line for the touchpad. So I tested the resistor and you can see the reading. There's something wrong with the resistor. There's something wrong with the resistor. So I have to change the resistor, my dear technician. That is the only thing I can do to fix the issue. The problem is not actually coming from the CPU. The problem is actually coming from the resistor. So the only thing I can do is for me to change the resistor. So you can see I apply flux. My dear technician, check this out. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. So right now, I want to change the resistor. Check this out. I will be done. My dear technician, I will be done. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. I will be done. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. You have to be very, very careful. So you can see I'm careful. Check this out, my dear technician. So this is the resistor. As you can see, this is the resistor. This is the problem. So I have to change it. I know the exactly resistance of the resistor. So I'll replace with a working one, with a new one. You can see I just replace it. Check this out. I want to set it now so that I can heat up and then it connects. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. I'll be done. Check this out, my dear technician. You have to take your time to do it. As you can see, I'm taking my time to do my own. So take your time to do yours. I want you to take your time to do it. As you can see, I'm taking my time to do my own. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do my own. Take your time to do your own. Take your time to do your own. Check this out. I'm heating up. I'll be done. Check this out. I'm done. Check this out. Clean work. My dear technician, clean work. Check this out. Clean work. My dear technician, I love this. I love this work. My dear technician, give me board work. I love this. Give me board work, my dear technician. Check this out. I love this. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. The next thing is for me to test it, and I test it. Good. It was giving me good reading, my dear technician. Check this out, my dear technician. So I have to cut my high temperature tape and then cover it. Check this out. Clean work. My dear technician, clean work. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. So the next thing is for me to test my work. I have to test it. You can see I connect. Check this out. My dear technician, let's see the final result, whether it works or not. If not working, we go ahead and do what? Troubleshoot. We must fix the issue. Check this out. I turn on the phone and right here we have Infinix. I'm sure you know this model. If you don't know and you want to know, let me know in the comment section so that I will drop the model of the phone in case it happens in your customer phone. You can fix it. Okay, Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. So let's test our work. My dear technician, it works. Check this out. It works 100%. Check this out, my dear technician. It works 100%. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, check this out. It works. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. It works 100%. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you and bye for now. I love you all.